Research proposal. A research proposal describes what you will investigate, why it is necessary, and how you will do the research. You need to convince the reader that your project is exciting, original, necessary, and important. The main parts of the research proposal are title. At the beginning of the research proposal, you define your provisional title. It will probably change. It is normal to edit and improve your title. Introduction. It probably needs to be explained into 6 sections. 1. Broad overview. 2. Research problems and questions. 3. Major reasons for conducting research. 4. Importance of the research. 5. Research objectives. 6. Scope of the investigation. After that, you're required to write a literature review. It includes these items. 1. Key concepts, theories, and studies. 2. Gaps in existing knowledge. 3. Clear understanding of the research idea. In the next sections, you write research background and research design. The research design covers methodology, data collection method, sampling, and sources of data. You should also write practicalities that involve research schedule and ethical issues in research. Next, the last section is reference list.